Boy oh boy, would I very much like it if my posture was better. I just need to actually work on it. Hello everybody, welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. My name is Arcane Static and we're gonna go out and do some more stuff. I should be taking care of the guys that are on my ranch actually right now. But what we're gonna do instead is not do that. Okay, actually though, I do want to fill this up as much as possible. Just pick up a bunch of these. They have eaten all the stuff already so quickly. Sheesh. Like, do I gotta go and get all the carrots from the other place? I'm just gonna refill the carrot thing real quick like, and I'm gonna pick up a whole bunch of chickens to bring with me to feed one of those guys. Because chances are you need a refill, yeah. And we're just gonna let that happen real fast. Boom. Now I'm gonna sell a bunch of these plorts, like so. Excellent, easy. And then we're gonna pick up just like a mess ton of chickens. What are you doing up there? What are y'all doing up there? God, there's a lot of chickens in here. Okay, so we put the roosters back, and then we drop all of the chickadoos back in here. Because we're not going to be able to use those for anything. That'll do. That'll do fine. And then, what do I have in my stuff that can be useful here? Actually, I'm gonna bring these with me because the bat likes these. And we're gonna go up to the north one and knock a bunch of these out. Gimme, gimme, gimme the stuff from the tree now. Won't somebody ripen all the stuff from the tree? Okay, we gotta go all the way over there. It's fine, it's not that far. It's not that far. Hello, more jellystone. And this I can just quick deposit over here before I go up there. Right. Go up this way. Oh, there's fruit. Take some of that with us just because I might not have enough. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 3, I guess. I totally can count. I'm very good at counting. I've been counting for a long, long, long time. I need more of that ginger ale and lime. Okay. This was the wrong one. We wanted to go north. This was the wrong one. God, I'm so bad at maps and navigating and such. It's fine. I'll be fine. I'm going where I want to go. Doodle 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 doo. Hello, pogo fruits. Just a little bit of extra, just in case. I don't have any more space for you there, chicken. Alright. To the cat first. We go north. Can't make it up, can't make it up, dang it. Okay, fine, fine, fine. It's just kind of, run real fast like. Yeah, it's fine. You'll probably be useful. And... going the right way? No, we are not yet going the right way. I'm gonna ride this thing up. Like that. You can get dead. These fossils are so big! And the seismic activity. Like, there's something going on. It's painfully clear there's something going on in this area. Like, this whole place is artificially affected by something. You may as well come along. Come along like I know you do. Now, where am I now? Still need to go this way. Oh, just made that. Ha ha ha, that was good. Hey. I can probably do without one of these. But the radiant ore, that I will take. I am content with that. Okay, cat friend. Time for me to stuff you full of meat. Oh, whoops. Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. I was about to be like, dude, did I not give you enough yet? Have you seriously not been satisfied? And that puts us, yeah, back where I thought we were gonna get it. Excellent. In this cave that overlooks the ocean. We can work with this. Over here I remember there was not much, but that's fine. Get out of here. Now, back to go deal with the bat. The bat, which hopefully will open up enough of a space in here that will allow me to just easily pass through. Whoop. There's seismic activity that is happening in this area, and I don't know what it's from. And there's no, like, mentions of earthquakes or anything that I have gathered so far, at least. Are there tars, really? I sure wish that that would not be so often of a thing, but, like, every time nighttime happens, it's always like, Tar Central, baby! Can I have the wax? Good enough. Okay, I gotta fly across, probably. This might have been something like a mistake. But that's fine. We made it. What is up there? It looks interesting. It's just a little place. Fair enough, I guess. But... hello, hello. Hello, hello. Radiant ore, I'm sorry, you're just a resource. Up here, down there. We go this way for a second. We want to go to the left. Like this. Fly around. And maybe up a little bit. Okay, here's the entrance to the caves. Ba-da 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 bum. Now we've gotten into the... okay, this might be where the seismic activity comes from, is the fact that there's like a volcano sort of business happening. Since there are boom slimes, and there's also just like active lava, like just lava. Here's the bat. What are you even doing in this kind of area though, my guy? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2... Nothing really important looking. Probably do this. And then through here is... oh, interesting. The other side of a cave. Okay, so not actually much important. But we can pick up briar hens now to take back and farm with. Having said that, these are more useful than the pogo fruits. And there are several of them within sight of each other, which is nice. Get some of this one. Go over here. And we'll get some of this one. Oh, this is primordial oil. Okay, so that one is not volcano dust, which is fine, I guess. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Ah, well. Are you just like chilling over there, just like bathing in this lava? Is that just a thing that you're doing, my guy? Alright, well. As you like it, I suppose. Where? There's more. I'm not gonna deal with that. That's beyond my pay grade. This isn't my ranch. There are more fire slimes there, but I do not think that I want to get more fire slimes. Okay, I feel like I'm responsible for enough of them. This is the place that has some kind of sealed gate. Earth were you? It was a weird kind of face you were making. But yeah, some kind of sealed gate. Which is the same thing that I bet we're gonna find in back of the other one. Let's go back home. Do 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 be do do. Be do do be do do do. Carrots, 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 carrots. Excellent. Chickens. Don't need these. But ooh, there's more stuff now. Let's just fill this guy up. And then also fill this guy up. There are no more spots in this area where I could build a pen of any sort. Such that I could raise the next set of these stony hens. I feel like one of the areas is just going to be like all farming, all like basic farm stuff. Ah, we are absolutely full. And let's do some of this. We gotta clean up the byproducts of our ranching here. Oh, wrong ones. Let's make some money. I'm not quite sure why the bat plorts were worth more than the fire plorts. I mean, the fire plorts have gone up, but like, actually, almost everything is universally up today. That's quite nice. I put some honey down here. Wasn't I able to do something with some honey? Need some more silky sand. Which, that actually is something that I might have to prioritize. More jellystone. Oh, I could do this one. Nice. I bet you somebody's got something to tell me on the comms because I saw the exclamation point. So, do tell, who's got what for me? It's Thora. You know, B, they say the best gifts come from the heart. This one came from a store, but close enough, right? Alright, well, very good. I wonder if there's any, like, teleport technology that I can make with what I've got right now. Like, any useful gadget stuff. Let's see. Briefly sprint with 0 cost, don't need it. Automatically targets tar. Might be nice, but eh. God, why do you need so much radiant ore for this? Let's see. I can do a home portal there. Oh, actually. Ooh. Ember Valley. That's up here. Gotta get more of those. Gotta get more of those. That'd be super nice. Is it like nighttime? 4:30 in the morning. Alright, well. Let me go and check on some of my other slimes real quick then. You guys are very hungry. You guys are also very hungry. This looks like a good place for me to start a second chicken farm, though. Put those 3 in there. And then these 3 can also go in here. Or 9, rather. We're gonna go, boop, a boop, a boop. We'll just set this right up nice and cool like that. Very good, okay. And then let's set up another coop. And let's get all the good stuff. And then we'll put you 5 in here. And 1 roostro also. He can go and enjoy himself, I suppose. Very nice there. Now for these guys. Jesus! Look at the amount of pogo fruits. Holy crud. So we're gonna fill this thing up. And then we're gonna go back and fill my whole tank again, probably. Love the gravity slingshot that you can kind of do. Num 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 num. Yep, fill the whole tank almost. Here, let's just we'll send 20 of them in here. And we'll put the rest in here. Boy, oh boy. Sure am gonna have a whole lot of these to sell. That's fine though, like it's good, you know, it's nice. And we'll take a whole bunch of these too. 40. And then there should be only like 10 in here. Yeah. Excuse you? Where do you think you're going? Why don't you go and join your compatriots over here? Yeah, I guess things might be a little bit crowded in there, but you know, what's a guy to do? Okay, so you guys are fed at least for a minute. And I've got a bunch of stuff to make money with. Thanks, Skeksis Vincent. Surely something needs hunter plorts. Actually. Any of the warp stuff need hunter? Conservatory, conservatory. Already did that one. Phosphor plorts. Now that we might actually want to just like make a whole bunch of. Alright, well, since nothing really needs it right now, let's sell everything and make a whole bunch of money. One whole bunch of money, please. Hunter slimes. Actually worth a decent amount there. Nice. Let's come in here and we're gonna sleep until night. Now, we gotta go back down here and collect a bunch of stuff. But meat we can do. Meat we can bring. Man kann bringen. Give me these carroten. Yes, thank you, thank you. I would like all of them. Also, many chickens as well. Like, lots of the chicken. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, you. Hey. Hey, you. Back in there. You two, back... back in there. And I'll just dump a bunch of carrots in here right now, I guess. That should keep them relatively quiet. But now then, down to the south to feed the angler plort. Go up here, go over here, get the jellystone. I should probably like make a map of like what the farming route is. Okay. Don't need them, don't need them, don't need them. This takes me back to the conservatory. We don't want to go that far. Up here, however, that we can... Oh. I keep forgetting that, like, sprinting also takes, stamina. Oh, I lack stamina. Ever since I had COVID, I'm actually, like, pretty stamina starved. Like, I tried to go swimming, and I've never been a great swimmer, but, like, I could do 2 laps on the pool before I started to die. It was like, oh, this is probably bad. Hey, that's what I'm looking for. Give me that. Do I see more? You are not useful to me. You are nothing to me. Look for more flowers. You are not ripe yet. You. Oh heck, oh heck. It's like stamina, stamina. Give. It's the beeswax, which I think we can safely leave for now. Alright, everybody keep your eyes open for more of the flowers. But we actually want to go down into a cave. Which I think we have to get to by going this way. Let me know if you guys see any more of the flowers, because, again, I want them. You there! Meat! Consume of the flesh! Partake of the chicken! Oh, are you serious? How much chicken do you need to partake in? Okay, it was just enough. Excellent, but like, I get no actual real rewards from this. Except for, I suppose, a boost to go up slightly higher. I'll tell you what I want. I want... Does this thing not work? Is it not? No, you can get water from it. That's what it is. Okay. And there's one. Ooh, and there's some ore as well. Please be to giving me the radiant ore. I will also take this mysterious dew. Okay, that one's been done. More of the ore, which I will take gladly. It is somewhat of a chore just looking for more of the moondew flowers. Have I moved too far away? Perhaps. Oh no, there's some over there as well. But that one is empty. So hopefully there is a dew. Nope, nowhere on the ground. But there is a honey. Go away. A honey, which I will gladly take. Whilst looking for more dew. Oh no! Okay, fine. I thought that I had caught him already and was just going to fire him into the water. Not one of my useful ores. On the map, I've only got meat and this guy. Hello. Well, this will make up for it, I suppose. Please for to be giving me the ores. I do much enjoy them. Rather muchly. Any more in the area? Please, please, for I would very much like them. Which is to say that I have no use for them, but I know a friend, a large friend, who does have a use for them. There's a wax over there. Oh, can't get up there, dang it. Okay. Oh. Wow, so this outing was actually quite lucrative. All things considered. Hunter anglers. Not really what I'm looking for, but I will definitely take these ores. I will take these ores. Silky sand. We do need some of that. Like, we do need some silky sand. There is some of it here, but on the other hand... Okay, well, I know where some silky sand is now. It may be that I go dump these nectars. Yeah. I'm gonna go dump these nectars, and then I'm gonna come back into this area to get me some silky sands. Sure wish there were more flowers. This was a mistake. This was a mistake. I am, you know, bold. I am brash, but even I can see when there is a bad idea that is happening. Oh, up we go. Man, how many of these do you want? Because it really seems like you're just going to be, like, really putting them away for a while here. Oh, there's one. One ripe. There we go. Perhaps there is one as a remnant from having fallen over here. Hello, yes, I would like your nectar, please. There is no nectar. What can man do? Sans nectar, I am not useful. This looks like a teleporter, though. Now that I'm looking at it. What? No, 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 no. Go into the mouth. Okay, so this guy's gonna take some time. This guy's gonna take some time. How dare you self-replicate? Self-perpetuating is not allowed. You are only allowed to exist when I, the rancher, deem it so. How dare you? I feel like I'm gonna have to go back through and, like, read all the stuff from Slime Rancher 1 and, like, replay a bunch of it in order to put together a cohesive set of theories about what's happening with it. Because, like, for the longest time, we thought Hobson was dead. Like, we thought that he up and kicked it. Alright, well, since I'm not gonna get any more of these moon dews, because it is daytime now, and they are certainly not sun dews, I'm gonna go and get all that delicious sand. Whoop. Okay, we're gonna try that again from a different angle here. Very good. Come up here. And we go down this way. Yeah, this is the correct direction. Okay. I've got a space for it now, which is promising. There's one over here. And there were a couple, like, around this bend. Yeah, here we go. There's one like that. What's up, friendo? You gonna attack me? You there? Excellent. I don't think there's gonna be any more right now. That was a gold slime. That's what that chimey sound I heard was. Fair enough. I have not really dealt with the gold slimes a super lot, so... Hang on, didn't I just see a... What do you require? You require a rock slime. Where do you lead? Into an underground thing, obviously. Should get a map of all of the unlockable doors. What? Who's getting tarred right now? Quickest way back is this one, definitely, for sure. Just gotta find an efficient way to get back there. I just see him rolling about like, yeah, what's up, we're tars, what are you gonna do about... No, 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 no. Bad idea. I'm certain that from a specific, like, point, I could find a way to glide across the entire way. Maybe from here going over. Is it worth it? Okay, I'm out here. What does that do for me? Does it do anything for me? I think the answer currently is no. Okay, so I just gotta kind of go around. Oh, it's the water lettuce. Locally grown water lettuce. Water lettuce party! I would say a good 80% of the things I say are just references to stuff that I would bet people don't get because I sit in a pretty strange paradigm of a place. Alright, so I'm not going towards that teleporter at all, which means that I'm probably going to just try to go back to the main one. Except, were those guys rock? They were rock. I don't have any place to put their stuff right now, so... leave them alone. So it would not be hard to just come back this way, pick up a single rock plort, and then go down to that thing. Do some quick and solid unlocks. I did forget that there's all of this stuff up here that I have technically seen, but I don't remember if I've done much in the way of exploring it. Might be something that we do in the next episode. While I'm doing the outro, I'm going to walk back toward the homestead. But in the next episode, thank you very much, my good friends, for coming and joining us. I very much appreciate it. Oh, I don't have to go all the way back. I can just go to the resource collection point, which is, like, around here. But I hope that you enjoyed it. You can probably head back that way after this, then. The like and subscribe buttons are waiting just below this video, like they always are. You know what to do with them. You've been here before. I hope that you have enjoyed yourselves, and we will see you next time.